Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Nur Anis Amira binti Muhammad Rozi and I currently study Chemical Engineering at Faculty of Chemical Engineering UiTM Shah Alam. Today, I would like to present about crystallization. What is meant by crystallization? Crystallization is a process of forming solid material from homogeneous liquid solution or milk where the solid material formed has crystalline structure. It also precipitating from a solution, freezing, or more rarely deposition directly from a gas. There are many factors that can affect the formation of crystal, such as temperature, air pressure, and also time of fluid evaporation. Next, we take a look on the important parameters in order to form crystal, which is yield of the crystal, purity of the crystal, size of the crystal, and also shape of the crystal. The size and shape of the crystal should be in uniform. There are two main types of crystallization process, which is cooling crystallization and also evaporative crystallization. Cooling crystallization is defined as the formation of solid with desirable and consistent properties from a solution where the solubility line is highly sensitive to decreased temperature. The solution is cooled until solubility of compound is reduced and cause it to separate from the solvent. What is meant by evaporative crystallization? During evaporative crystallization, the solvent is removed by heating the solution until the solvent is evaporated. This is the most popular method of crystallization. Some applications of crystallization are formation of ice from water via freezing process, formation of snow particles from a vapor, and also formation of solid crystal from a liquid solution. Next, I will tell you about the theory of crystallization. The crystal will grow from supersaturated solution, nucleation, crystal growth, and also the forming of crystal. The first step in the crystallization process is nucleation. The first atom in a mass to form a crystal structure become a center and more atoms will organize around this nucleus. As this happens, more unit cells will assemble around the nucleus and a small seed crystal is formed. The process of nucleation is very important in crystallization because the nucleus of a crystal will determine the structure of the entire crystal. Second step for crystallization is crystal growth. As other nuclei that have successfully achieved the critical cluster size begin to increase in size, crystal growth is a dynamic process with atoms precipitating from a solution and becoming redissolved. For more understanding about the crystallization, let's do the home experiment. The material and equipment that are used in this home experiment you can get from your home. First is pot, some stick, 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, clove pin, some food coloring. Lastly is jars. Now, let's start the experiment. First, you need to dip the stick into water and coat the wet stick with sugar. let the stick dry. Then, pour 1 cup of water and 3 cups of sugar into the pot and heat the stove. Boil the solution in the pot. Stir the solution until all the sugar is fully dissolved. Cool the solution at the room temperature. Pour the cool solution into the jars and add any food coloring. Hold the stick with the closed pin and put it into the solution. Let's see what happened to the crystal after 1 week. This is what happened when I left the crystal for 1 week. If you want the crystal to grow more bigger, you should let the crystal in a longer time. Next, we proceed to the mechanism. When the solution is heated, the water solubility will increase because of the temperature is increasing. When the boiling point is reached, the water solubility is high enough to dissolve more sugar. Thus, we get the supersaturated solution. When the solution is heated, the solute molecule will move freely among the hot solvent. As the solution is cooled, the solvent is no longer hold all of the solute molecule. It will leave the solution and will form the solid crystal. What is the advantages of the crystallization process? By using crystallization process, high purification can be obtained in only single step. It also produces solid phase which may be suitable for direct packaging and also sale. It is maybe more economic because it considers only a lower temperature. However, crystallization also have disadvantages. Crystallization process only purify one component. Yield is limited by phase equilibria, and process kinetics are more complex and less well understood. The last part for my presentation is conclusion. When the temperature of solution decreases, the crystal molecules will pull into each other and will fall out from the solution. Thus, it will form crystal more faster. When the period to let the crystal grow longer, the more bigger will the crystal grow. The longer the period, the lower the temperature. As a conclusion, the lower the temperature, the bigger the crystal will grow. Crystallization is also the easiest way of purification of any substance.